Hi, welcome back. This tutorial designed for absolutely beginners who have to never touch Power BI. Before we'll start basic walk to what Power BI is, what is the useful. You can start up the what are the Power BI. The question raise your customers and users and viewers. Hi. The key features of Power BI. This key feature of Power BI desktop is the free desktop application used by connecting to the data transfer. It is and to create a report dashboards where you are primarily do data modeling and visual designing. This Power BI is the services cloud-based platform published by calibration. Power BI reports also allow scheduled data reference enable to maintaining updates and analyzing. The Power BI mobile app is also available. Let us access and internet interactive with your reports and dashboards on your phone, tablet, iOS, and the Android phone also. This app is available. This is a great store. Started your first Power BI report. Let us create basic report using sample Excel data set. First you install how to install Power BI. I will show you. Go official website Power BI https and Power BI Microsoft.com. Navigate to download sessions and download Power BI desktop. Install the software on your computer. How to install I will show you. The step open Power BI desktop. Once install launch Power BI desktop. The visual you want to format the visualization panel. Click format icon, paint brush and change the like chart colors, labels, titles, etc. Save your reports. Go file saving name up to my first report Power BI and the publish to Power BI service. You will need to sign using Microsoft account. Publish your report. Click publish button and home tab. Choose work space but you report you can view your reports online through Power BI services. Those key things of remember this Power BI is the data modeling and visual choice and the interactive the explore. These are the four sessions are there. The data modeling, how you organize your data, effect how you can report on this. So planning good data model is crucial. The visual choice. This visual choice is the right chart type can make break your analyzing. The interactive is the visual choice. Right character type can make your breakthrough your analyzing. Interactive Power BI reports are the interactive. You can click on elements, filter data and see all details. The explore experimental while different options. Power BI desktop discover capabilities. This tutorial is introducing can continuously journey by learning about the data transfer with Power Query editions. Learn how to clean and shape data in Power BI. DAX data analyzing expressions, create customer calculation, measuring of this, the advanced visual customization, explore different character type, customer visualization from options, the Power BI service, learning how to manage reports, calibrations, automated data refresh, resource feature learning, the Power BI Microsoft Power BI documentation to learn https learn-microsoft.com Power BI. This YouTube also is the Power BI beginners tutorial guides and the online courses platform like Udemy, Coursera, LinkedIn learning Power BI courses. The total conclusion on the first tab, click the get data, choose the data source of the example selected Excel workbook, browse sample example. You can download online in the find your computer. We can use generic sample selected. Click open the selected sheets on important navigation window. Exploring data Power BI automatically data and modeling left in this screen. You will be see for the report view as the main view and data view, model view. The separating the creating visualizations back to report and visualization plan and character type cluster column chart, and the blank chart will appearance on the canvas. Drag and columns from the field panel, approximately field visualization, popular or chart example, drag category X and sales to value. You have now created your first visualization. You can add visual reporting, same steps, selected type and field, experimental visual, enter the pie charts and bar charts maps. The Power BI is the created Microsoft powerful business analytics services that allows you and contact to data, gathering data and the various sources like Excel, database, cloud service, website and many more. The transfer data, clean shape and prepare you data for analyzing, visualization data, creating interactive character graph and dashboards, understanding pattern and trending, sharing insight, calibration with colleagues by publish your report dashboards. The another question raise your mind is the why use Power BI now. This Power BI is data-driven decision. Power BI transfer raw data into the meaningful insight is helpful. You make a better decisions and interactive visualization. Forgot statistics, spreadsheets, Power BI. Let us to explore that. The dynamic with the interactive visualizations. The accessibility. This Power BI is available in desktop applications, and this Power BI desktop and cloud-based services. Power BI services make it is Power BI mobile service app. The calibration sharing the reports seamless with Power BI services. Wide variety of data sources can connect almost all any type of data. You can imagine is relevant to affordable. The Power BI is the free desktop versions and compactive price for your cloud based your pro and premium versions. The key features of the Power BI. The Power BI is the Power BI powerful velocity tool can help you turn data into actionable insight. The beginner's tutorial should give you solid functions and start exploration, world data analyzing visualization, practical with real world data, and soon you will be create amazing reports and the dashboard. Let us know how would you like to explore the particular aspect Power BI. In module of you can develop data modeling, tags, specify visualizations and technique. Anything else you interest, please subscribe my TechDot channel. Please like my TechDot channel. Thanking you once again your TechDot.